Welcome to day 2 of my Kwanzaa calendar from Chicken Coop Dye Works and Mitchell's Creations. So let's go ahead and get started. So today's principle is Kujichagulia, which means self-determination, being responsible for your own conduct and behavior. So let's start with the Chicken Coop Dye Work yarn. And let's see what we got for day 2. So day 2, respect, is the letter E. So let's see what we have. Oh my goodness. Oh, check this out. This is so beautiful. Now, it's funny. Okay, so it's the same colorway as yesterday, only this one is mohair. So it's sunspots and solar flares, 72% mohair, 28% silk, 459 yards, and 50 grams. So let me pull out yesterday's. So these two go together. How cool is that? Awesome. I've actually never knit with mohair, so this gives me an opportunity to do that, and I'm quite excited about it. Thank you, Carol. So next up is Mitchell's Creations, and for day number 2. And I've already opened the package, but I have not looked inside so that would have less crinkling. Wow. Of course, this is still on her lanyard sock base, and it's a mini, and this is the color brown, and it is gorgeous. It's brown, but it also has specks of a little bit of pink in it. I don't know if you can see that, but this is the mini for day 2. How lovely is that? So that is day 2 for the Kwanzaa calendar yarn. We'll see you tomorrow.